guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to clean the motorcycle. As you can see, we have a motorcycle here. So yeah, we're going to clean our motorcycle today. Ouch. I don't know what to say, but yeah, I've been uploading obviously old videos. So today we're actually going to upload a new one. it's actually a new one. So yeah. We're just going to wet them around. Wet them around? I'm not sure if it's the right word, but yeah. We'll just wet them. And then we have the soap. Almost. I'm going to do it from top to bottom. I don't think it's too dirty, but still, you still need to clean it. We'll do the tire later once we're done on the top, because that's the dirty part of the motorcycles. Yay! It's okay to do it this way. I'll go on the other side. So, it's not too dirty, but yeah, it's just there's some area which is dirty. You can see it's dirty. There you go. That's the dirt. Wait. I'm not sure if my pants is so tight or what. I'm struggling to sit down. I need to buy a new one. I need to buy a new pants, guys. Oh my god, it's so tight. And you know what, guys? It's super hot. Super hot in the Philippines. It's super hot in the Philippines that we really need to get wet. We really need to get wet. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. You really need to get wet because it's super hot. Lucky it's not that sunny now. But before I started, obviously it's super hot. Ouch. But oh my god, I'm struggling to stand up. There's some area which is not done yet. I'm just washing them to see which part is clean. And which part is not? Which part need to be cleaned? I think this area is still dirty. Need soap. But yeah, don't forget to follow. We need more followers. Don't just watch. You need to follow. Please. Please. I'm so desperate for followers, everyone. You don't want to follow, just want to watch? Come on. I need followers. Be nice to me, everyone. Be nice to me. And also like my video. Like my video! Please! You don't want to like my video? Why not? Why not? It's actually dirty. Ouch. Hello, my Mishi. My Mishi bebe. My cat is meowing inside. She want to watch the video as well. She want to watch us cleaning. Sorry guys for the interruption. It's the store. But yeah, we're going to continue. We're almost done with the soap. We're going to it's clean na. I think so. Okay. We'll just wash them. Ooh, my slippers are all wet now. You didn't.
Three.
Far away, far away. We're just going to. Oops. It looks like it's clean. I think so. I'm not sure if I missed any part of it. It looked clean for me. Niwan na kayo.
Oo.
Ah, now it's clean. I think it's all clean now. I think. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's all clean. I'm not. How good is that? Does look nice now. Look at this. It does look nice. Oh my god. It's stuck. But now it's okay now. Shocking! It's not hot anymore. I think so. It's not sunny but still hot. So I need to Oh, sun is coming out again. I think so. Oh my god. My watch I forgot again. I always forget this watch. Nice and cool though. Nice and cool. The sun disappeared. So I think that's enough. That's enough for today. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.